good Christmas and a Happy New Year. Today I'm going to start building me a work table, do some woodworking stuff. So what I'm going to use is the metal crate that my sawmill come in. I'm going to turn it into a table. This is what I got done so far. I got the table, the metal thing. I cut the sides off of it, evened the legs up on it, and I built me a 2x4 frame on it. And now I'm going to add some little more boards here, kind of even up against here, right here. Then I'm going to lay my plywood on top of it. I plan on making each one of these different compartments where I put my tools here, saws, chisels, whatever I need here, and make the table where I can lift up on it and get what I need out of it. So y'all hang in there and we're going to get started on this. I'm going to get the plywood and cut the length I want. kidding me? Alright, so I got that. Now I'm going to measure each. So that's what it's starting to look like. It's a 4-inch overhang here. What I'm gonna do is I can cut. I'm not even cut. What I'm gonna do is put hinges on the inside. That way I can lift the whole table up, have all my tools in there. So let's give you a little layout what it's gonna look like. And I'm gonna put some caster wheels on the bottom down here. Well, I appreciate y'all watching. That's as far as I'm gonna go today. I'll finish up the rest. Probably a couple of days, if not next weekend. So I appreciate y'all watching. I hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna get finished with this. We're gonna show what it looks like in the end. And I think it's gonna be a pretty good work table. So once I'm done with it. So y'all hang in there, and I enjoy y'all. I appreciate y'all watching my channel, watching my videos. Subscribe. Thank you for watching my channel, watching my videos. Subscribe, like, and comment. It helps my channel, and I really appreciate it. So y'all have a good year. And well, I'm gonna end the video here. I done got the table cut the width and length I want. I'm going to work on the next couple of days or the weekend. I'm gonna put hinges on the table, that side, probably on the left side or right side, it don't matter. That way I can lift it up. I have my tools, all kinds of woodworking tools, whatever I need, saws, whatever. I got 4 compartments that I can make out of this table, and I'm gonna use that to store tools and stuff. I am gonna put casters on it, like I said, and that way it'll be a roll around. I really appreciate y'all watching my videos. Like, subscribe, and comment. I hope you have a great evening, and thank you.